Hi everyone, welcome to Comet Computer Private Limited e-learning program of Azure Public Cloud Training. Myself Ilan Chedian, Technical Director at Comet Computer Private Limited. So in this video we'll see how to reset the remote desktop service settings of a Windows virtual machine. So we'll move on to the demonstration. Usually when you create a Windows virtual machine by default, remote desktop service will be enabled and a remote desktop access will be enabled for the administrator by default. Maybe due to some configurational mistakes or due to some other reasons, the remote desktop connection settings might be changed in the virtual Windows virtual machine. So due to this, we will not be able to connect the virtual machine from the uh, network, or maybe from our public network or from your private network. So in that cases, so we should be able to reset the remote desktop settings of the Windows virtual machine. So if you want to make those changes, go to the virtual machine and scroll down where you can see support and troubleshooting. So there you can go to the reset password. So earlier we saw how to reset the administrator password. To reset only the remote desktop service settings, so you can use the second option, reset configuration only. So after setting this, press update. So this will update the remote desktop configuration settings on the respective Windows virtual machine. So after this updation, so you'll be able to you'll be connect the Windows virtual machine using remote desktop connection. Again, this configuration also will take some time. We will wait for that. So the RDP configuration, resetting the configuration is done. And after that, all the RDP settings will be reconfigured on the guest operating system. After that, you can log on to the virtual machine through RDP. And that's all for the video demonstration. And the next video will discuss about the other concept. Until then, bye bye.